Good morning. So today I am going to actually get to go to Ikea.
Coming out the back of last night. Need a little pick me up. Can somebody pick me up? Yeah. Bring me a glass of wine. Don't forget the coffee cup. Black and white.
I wanted to say something. Like, I know some of you guys join the channel for travel, but unfortunately it's not always going to be travel on the channel because we have just recently moved. So until we can get settled in and get everything together, I won't be doing any traveling out of the state or out of the country until I can get all that stuff settled. So it's going to be everyday life stuff. You know, hopefully you enjoy the journey with us, but this is what it is. This is life, and this is what we have to do to get situated here in San Diego. So today we're going to be going to Ikea.
Good morning, everybody.
So did you enjoy your car shopping?
I did enjoy it somewhat. Besides the hurry up and pick a car comments. Other than that, yeah, I enjoyed it.
Did you get what you wanted?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Something practical, kind of fuel efficient, better than my truck. Gas prices over here are pretty ridiculous, so just trying to be smart about it, and I can get my little speed on.
It is packed out here at Ikea. Well, how do you get there? Yeah, my little Ikea shopper.
Oh, me? No, not me. I'm just tagging along.
He's an Ikea shopper today
Tagging along.
with his cart. I see. They consider this firm. Against the wall. You comfortable in that? I know you're not. It's not for tall people. So unfortunately, Ikea did not have anything that I was looking for, and all of the furniture, as far as sofas, were really, really short, like low to the ground. So that definitely won't work for us. We're both tall. Yeah, just looking for something inexpensive to put in this apartment. And that's why I kind of was looking towards Ikea, but yeah, none of that stuff will work. So we're going to take a look at another place called Living Spaces here in San Diego. Yeah, of course you did. Huge. Hi.
Looking for anything particular?
We're looking for a little bit of everything. We just moved here. We're just looking right now and trying to get an idea of what.
It's your first time in?
Yeah.
Click. Sleep side. Kids, mattresses, adults.
Okay.
You need help, we help. You need space, let them know. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thanks for being here.
That's too short.
Where you guys coming from?
Thailand. Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
A life-changing mood, huh?
That's a pretty tree. I have never seen a tree like that. Unlike Ikea, we did find some really nice pieces in Living Spaces. So I think we're gonna go, we saw a nice little sectional in Living Spaces, so I think we're gonna go with that sectional. We found a nice bedroom set. So again, we have to start from scratch because we sold everything, all of our furniture from our house before we left to go overseas. So now we've got to start from scratch when it comes to furniture, but they had nice pieces in here and they had nice prices. So, you know, I'm a bargain hunter. I do not like to spend a lot of money. I don't. At this point, we just have to do the measurements for the wall because it's an apartment, it's not a house. So I got to make sure what we looked at will actually fit in the apartment. We move in on Saturday, and I'm excited about that. We are trying a new restaurant here in Old Town. It is called Casa Guadalajara. It's a Mexican restaurant, and that's where we're going today. Ready? So this is the menu. Did you see this stuff on the other side? Nice looking restaurant. Starting us off with the salsa and the chips again. This sauce is really good. Spicy. The ladies back here making these delicious tortillas. Oh my gosh, they were amazing. I just had that. This is amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
So it's good all the way around now. There you go, bud. Thank you, sir.
This is the chicken chimichanga. Charles has steak and chicken fajitas.
It's good.
Alright, so we are about to chow down and enjoy this, and I'll see you in a minute. Let's try these refried beans real quick. Oh yeah.
I mean, everything is delicious.
And you know, the closer you get to Mexico, the Mexican food is going to be better for sure. This is delicious. I know that's got to be good with those tortillas.
Excellent. Excellent. It's really good.
I think we're about to have a mariachi band playing over here. Right here for me. That's perfect. Perfect. We lucked up and got the mariachi band right here. So this was a great time tonight, great dinner. We enjoyed it. This is a new place. So instead of Rockin' Baja Lobster, we've got Casa Guadalajara, and excellent service. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. We had an awesome dinner, great time, great atmosphere. The food was good, the margarita was good, everybody was friendly, so we really enjoyed that. So we are going to take a look at what they have going on here for Dia de los Muertos in Old Town. Wow, I love those things. So we're gonna get this. That's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Let's take a look through here. Wow, this is awesome. I didn't even know all this stuff was here. So right now, they are celebrating Dia de los Muertos, and they've got everything out here. Yes, it is some pretty cool stuff. This is awesome. Wow. Charles, I'm going out this way. Oh look, I'm sorry. They've got these
Oh, yeah, this is nice.
yeah,
This is made out of wood. I think.
yeah, they are cell phone covers. You see this, guys? These are wooden cell phone covers. All different types. That is amazing. Beautiful artwork on there. That's very nice. So Charles is interested in the wrestling masks. He could be Nacho Libre. We stumbled up on this place. We were just eating and we ended up over here, and they've got all these festivities going on, which is really, really cool. Lots of stuff to see, lots of stuff to do, lots of stuff to buy. Uh-oh, little dogs. More masks. Hi, how you doing? Good. They've got some of the coolest little restaurants out here. So we'll go. I wanted to just look up that alleyway. This one here. Look at this, yeah. So we're gonna take a quick walk down here. See what they have. Hi, how are you? Yeah, Taya's gonna love this stuff. Oh yeah, those things. Oh wow, haven't seen one of those in a long time.
I see you over there. Yes, you. Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Oh, I smell incense. Huh? I smell some good incense up here.
Seguimos y no paramos.
How cool is this? Oh yeah. Yes. This is Esmeralda.
You